Hey guys, I'm Justin from Cooking with Coit. I specialize in clean comfort cooking, and today I'm going to show you how to make these incredibly delicious and very healthy cauliflower steaks. And if you love this video, make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. Let's get started. These cauliflower steaks are fantastic either as a main dish, you can eat them all by themselves, or as a side vegetable. I'm always looking for more ways to get healthy vegetables into my diet, and these cauliflower steaks are the perfect example of that. Not only is this dish incredibly healthy, but these are very delicious too. First thing we're gonna do is trim the leaves of the cauliflower head, and this is a very, very important note. We wanna make sure that the stem stays intact because that's what's holding the whole head together. So only cut the leaves. Next thing we're gonna do is cut this cauliflower into 1 to 1.5 inches big, thick pieces. But if you haven't already preheated your oven, make sure you do. We're gonna set it to 400 degrees. So the worst thing you could do here is cut the cauliflower steaks too thin. This is a really good reference for how thick they should be here. Camera Ann, you wanna get a shot of that? There we go. That is perfect. Next thing we're gonna do is make our marinade. First up is gonna be 1/2 cup of olive oil. Next thing we're gonna do is add 2 teaspoons of paprika. Paprika is gonna give us not only a ton of great flavor, but it's gonna give us a beautiful red color on these cauliflower steaks. Now we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And then all that's left is just adding a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. I'm gonna do 1 or 2 big pinches of each. And we're gonna give it a little whisk. And it just turns this really beautiful red color. Let me show you guys. Check that out. That's what it should look like. Now we're gonna bring our cauliflower pieces back to our parchment-lined baking sheet. So the way we're gonna cook these is we are going to drizzle this olive oil mixture all over these cauliflower slabs. And I just take a little bit of a tablespoon and just kind of drizzle it over the top. And then I use the back of the spoon to kind of spread it evenly. Now I'm gonna pop this cauliflower into the oven and cook for 10 minutes. All right, I just took out the cauliflower steaks from the oven. It's been 10 minutes and they are looking beautiful. And come get a shot of these. Look how nice those look and they smell fantastic. And now we are going to flip them over. Just give them a careful flip. Definitely be gentle. And if, there's gonna be times here where they break up a little bit, and that's okay. Like this one is definitely gonna break on me. Oh, and that's okay. We don't have to freak out. We just kind of put it back together a little bit. You're still gonna get nice big chunks of cauliflower, and that is the whole point. All right, now that we've given them a flip, we're gonna drizzle our olive oil mixture on the other side. So same thing applies, just give it a little drizzle, smooth it with the back of the spoon, just like that. And that's it. Let's pop these back in the oven for another 10 minutes. All right, our last 10 minutes is up. I'm gonna grab these out of the oven. Whoa, these look and smell so incredible. Look at how perfect these are cooked. I cannot wait to give them a taste, but before I do, if you love this recipe and you wanna see more just like it, check out my healthy recipes playlist. Okay, let's give these a taste. Oh wait, I forgot the garnish. So we chopped up a little bit of parsley, and this is the perfect garnish for these cauliflower steaks. So we're just gonna drop a little parsley all over. There we go. All right, now they're ready for the taste test. Let's give them a try. These cauliflower steaks came out perfect. They are just a bit crunchy on the outside, perfectly cooked on the inside. You guys are gonna love these. You've gotta try them. I'll see you in the next video.